Since I always start these things from outside, this is what it looks like now on the 28th of February, 2026. Last couple of times I haven't been able to video because the workmen have been here. So everything's done so far. Walls are in. Lights are in. Oh, don't know where that light gets turned on from. Maybe this one. Nope. Multiple light switches. I don't know what they all go to. Still need to put shelves in there. And I think there's a light that goes in there too, but maybe not. So I chose a very dark colored, what I thought was a middle gray, but it's really a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. This is how we're looking. New floors, new paint. Let's see if I can figure out where that light goes. Oh, okay, so it's way over here for some reason. Kitchen. Oh, they put in that kind of light. That's supposed to be a tube light. Cabinets. Those cabinets, well, all the cabinets are new, but I didn't have a tall one like that next to the fridge. I did used to have something over here, which I may purchase something or, not sure, maybe buy something for that long wall over there. Otherwise the kitchen's going to be fairly large. Not big enough for a table. But they're putting my shelves in here. And there's a light in there, which is cool. I don't remember there being a light in there before, but there must have been. This is the pantry. Still have to put the door on. Hey, let's see if the kitchen sink works. The kitchen sink works. They had to wait for a garbage disposal for the kitchen sink. Nope, it doesn't have one of those pull-down things like the other one. And I got my, oh, this is interesting. Before this was all drawers. But they put drawers and, in this case, cabinets, which I still got to get the hardware in. But that should be fine. Countertops, white. Nice look. The cabinets are very close to the color of the walls. I may do a sponge pattern of some sort on those to lighten them up just a little bit. Light over the sink works. Everything's working. Hallway. New smoke alarms. Still got to put shelves and the thing in there in the closet. This is the laundry room, which has nothing in it. All the appliances are supposed to come in on Monday. Washer and dryer go there. Supposed to be a cabinet down there and a cabinet up there. And on the other side, above the washer and dryer, there's supposed to be a cabinet there and one over there with a pole in between. But those are things that can come in after the fact. I do have to remind them to check out the exterior lights. Well, that's interesting. I wonder what that big hose is for. I did start bringing clothes in, so I'm starting to move back home. I got more clothes to put in there today, but just doing a walkthrough, checking everything out. Oh, they didn't put that light up yet. Oh, they did put that one up though. So I got a vanity light for that, which is over there in the corner. Oh, interesting. New toilet, new cabinets. Like the white. This has now become my studio because this is the only closet space in this room. Because when they moved the wall, you'll see in a minute, again, they moved the wall into this room from the master, which made this room quite a bit smaller, but this is going to be my office space. So that's okay. New window. Master bedroom. Oh, it almost looks purple. Almost looks periwinkle in this light. lights. Not sure what the secondary light does, but... So the master bedroom, I mention this every time, but that wall got pushed in there, which took half of the closet from the other room. This is where the shower used to be, but now the shower's over there. And they still have to put in the vanity light there. This is the vanity light. I got that on Facebook Marketplace. Kind of cool, they swivel. These LED lights swivel so that you can direct the light in different ways. New toilet. Probably going to put a cabinet in there too, similar to this one, only over there, just for extra storage, floor to ceiling. So this is the master. I always like to mention that's where the fire started, right over there in that corner from that plug. Oh, good, they got this in. So I can start hanging clothes in here, but they are going to also put in, this used to be, the closet used to be 2 doors for some reason. So I asked them to put in 1 door, and then they're going to put some of those mirror doors in there. So now the master bedroom is huge. I'll probably put my dresser way over there, bed over here, and I might put a chair here where I'm standing so that I can read in the morning, either here or maybe over there. So I have space, or I will, as soon as I move back in. And that's looking back into the house. Woohoo, getting close.